I appreciate your patience while Deborah was talking me through a few things and sharing tools with us that hopefully benefit you as well, because they really did benefit me. And I applied them diligently. And both on Tuesday after our calls, and on Wednesday, and on Thursday, and I did the whole like call in that feeling and let it soak in. And I did the like go in the space of no time, and ask what your path is. And I talked to my future self. And on Thursday morning, I woke up and everything felt different. It was a weird sensation. It was like everything felt lighter. And I went in my meditation and I had my virtual boardroom, and it was like, everything is different, isn't it? And I got confirmation. And all of a sudden, it's like, I got to call Deborah. I think I actually shifted timelines, lifelines. I'm sorry, not timelines, lifelines. I think I shifted lifelines. This is how it feels. And a few hours later on Thursday, I made the biggest art sale of my life.
Good
I
for
think
you.
I think I sold as much art in 2 hours as I did all of last year together.
Oh my gosh, congratulations. How
Congratulations.
It was
exciting.
it was just, yeah, I mean, this stuff works.
It does.
And afterwards I was like thinking, I think I had to go through this funk, and just so I would be looking for the solutions, and I would receive all these tools so I could shift to this new lifeline. And it like, I can't explain it other than everything felt different. And then I feel that this huge sale was like confirmation that, yeah, you, and it was so fun and so easy and so joyful and so carefree. So it was like, yeah. So
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Well, that's very exciting. Congratulations. That is super awesome.
yeah, but yeah, but so thank you.